Hi friends, welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I am going to prepare cabbage and peas curry. Ingredients that I require to prepare this recipe are: here I have taken one small cabbage and I have nicely washed it and cut them into thin slices. Here I have taken 200 grams of green peas, 2 big onions sliced, 1 big tomato sliced, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, fresh coriander leaves, this we'll add at the end. Here I have taken 2 bay leaves, 2 dried red chili, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, ghee, 1/2 teaspoon. This is 1 cinnamon stick, 1 inch, 3 cardamoms. Here I'll be using, this is coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/2 teaspoon of Kashmiri Kashmiri red chili powder, salt as per our taste, and oil for cooking. I'll be using 2 tablespoons of oil to prepare this recipe. So now let's get started. So here I have heated 2 tablespoons of oil, friends. I have forgot to mention one very important ingredient, that is hing. So I will add hing first into this oil. Then I will add the bay leaves, cinnamon stick, cardamoms, 2 dried red chilies, put the flame into medium. Now I will add the sliced onions, and I will cook this till the onions become slightly transparent. So our onions are ready now. We are going to add the ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, cumin powder, coriander powder, this is Kashmiri red chili powder, turmeric powder, tomatoes, and after adding the tomatoes I will add salt as per your taste, and I will cook the masalas properly in this oil. So friends, our masala is prepared now. I have added 1 tablespoon of water in the masala. You can also add that if your masala sticks, so you can add that. Now I am going to add the green peas, and I will saute this and cook for 2 minutes. After sauteing the green peas for 2 minutes, now I am going to add the cabbages. Once I add the cabbages, friends, there will be water coming out from the cabbage. So I am going to put the flame into medium and cover this with the lid for about 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, I will remove the lid and I will try to mix. As you can see, water has come out from the cabbage because there was salt in the recipe. As I have covered cabbage, water came out from the cabbage. I'll mix it. After mixing it nicely, friends, we will cover the lid for another 2 minutes on a medium flame. After 2 minutes, friends, we will remove the lid, and as you can see, more water has come out from the cabbage. I will just stir it. And then I will cover this again and cook till my cabbages are done. Now friends, I will open the lid, and as you can see, my cabbages are completely cooked. Oil is coming out. That means the recipe is ready. It's done. If you want to add garam masala powder, you can add that now. That is optional. And this is the time when we add half a teaspoon of ghee to this recipe. Mix this ghee nicely. And just for the flavor of the ghee, we'll cover this, and after opening this, we will sprinkle little fresh coriander leaves and we'll serve it. So we'll cover this over a low flame for maybe 30 seconds. So now I will remove the lid. I'll put off the flame. I will sprinkle the coriander leaves. And now I will transfer it to the serving bowl. Here is our Patta Gobi and Matar sabzi ready. Very simple and easy to prepare, friends, and it tastes very, very delicious. So do try this cabbage and green peas curry at home. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon and stay updated with my latest videos. See you soon, friends. Bye.